Welcome back. Today we're talking about how to build real lasting wealth. No gimmicks, no lottery fantasies. This is about creating a financial foundation that gives you freedom and security for life. We'll cover 7 practical strategies that anyone can use, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up. Forget penny pinching on coffee. We're focusing on the big wins that actually move the needle. I'll break down each step, explain why it works, and give you actionable advice you can use right away. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Grab a notepad and let's get started. Tip 1. Pay yourself first. It's simple, but most people don't do it. When you get paid, before you pay bills or buy anything, set aside a portion for your savings or investments. Treat your future self as your most important bill. Make it automatic. Automate a transfer. 10%, 15%, whatever you can. Straight to a separate savings or investment account the day you get paid. This habit forces you to live on what's left, making saving effortless. It's the foundation of wealth. You're building assets every month, not just hoping there's money left over. Think of every dollar you save as an employee working for you 24/7. Don't let your best employees sit idle. Put your money to work. Start small if you have to, but start now. Log into your bank, set up that transfer, and make it non-negotiable. This is the first step to real wealth. Don't skip it. Make your savings automatic and watch your wealth grow. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Pay yourself first, always. Next, live below your means. It sounds basic, but it's where most people stumble. As your income grows, don't let your spending grow with it. Avoid lifestyle creep. Prioritize what truly matters to you and cut ruthlessly on everything else. Track your expenses for a month to see where your money actually goes. Use a simple budget, not as a restriction, but as a permission slip to spend on what you value. The goal? Create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is your wealth engine. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can invest. Living below your means gives you freedom. Freedom to take risks, change jobs, or weather financial storms. Don't let higher income trap you in higher expenses. Focus on widening the gap, not just increasing your income. Make conscious choices, not automatic upgrades. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about options. Track, prioritize, and spend intentionally. The bigger your gap, the faster you build wealth. Take control. Don't let your lifestyle control you. That's real financial power. Before investing, build your emergency fund, your financial fire extinguisher. This is cash set aside for true emergencies, job loss, car repairs, medical bills. Aim for 3 months to 6 months of essential expenses in a high-yield savings account. This isn't money for vacations or new gadgets, it's your safety net. Without it, you risk going into debt or selling investments at the worst time. An emergency fund protects your progress and gives you peace of mind. Calculate your bare-bones monthly costs, multiply by 3 to 6, and set that as your target. Funnel all extra savings here until it's fully funded. Keep it separate from your daily spending money. Once it's in place, you can invest confidently, knowing you're protected. Don't skip this step, your future self will thank you. Build your emergency fund first. It's the foundation of financial security. With your emergency fund set, it's time to invest, early and consistently. The secret? Compound interest. Your money earns returns, then those returns earn more returns. Start as soon as possible. Even small amounts grow huge over time. Don't wait for a big windfall. The habit and time in the market matter most. Use dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. This removes emotion and helps you buy more when prices are low. Don't try to time the market, just keep investing. For most, a low-cost index fund or ETF is the best starting point. These give you instant diversification and low fees. Automate your investments so you never have to think about it. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan through ups and downs. Let your money work for you, not the other way around. Invest early, invest often, and let time do the heavy lifting. Don't overcomplicate it, just get started. Your future self will be amazed at the results. As your investments grow, diversify to manage risk. Don't bet everything on one stock or asset. Spread your money across different investments. Index funds are a great start. They own hundreds of companies, not just one. Go beyond stocks, add bonds and real estate for stability and growth. Diversification smooths out the ride so you're less likely to panic during downturns. Your asset mix, stocks, bonds, real estate, should match your age, goals, and risk tolerance. Younger, more stocks. Closer to retirement, add more bonds. You can use target date funds or build your own mix. The goal isn't to win big in one year but to build steady, long-term wealth. Diversification protects you from surprises and keeps your plan on track. Don't gamble, invest smart, spread your risk and let your portfolio weather any storm. The best investment? Yourself. Keep learning about money. Financial education is ongoing. New tools and strategies appear all the time. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make and the easier it is to spot bad advice. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos, find what works for you. Start with classics like The Simple Path to Wealth or I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Follow trusted news sources to understand the bigger picture. Don't be intimidated by complex topics. Break them down and learn bit by bit. The more you learn, the more confident and in control you'll feel. Share your knowledge with others and break the cycle of financial illiteracy. Make learning a habit. It pays dividends for life. Invest in your financial education, and you'll never regret it. Finally, set clear financial goals. Your roadmap to success. Without goals, it's easy to drift. With them, every decision has purpose. Use the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Instead of, I want to be rich, try, I'll save $50,000 for a house in 5 years by saving $833 a month. Goals make choices easier. Ask, does this get me closer to my goal? Write your goals down and review them often. Break big goals into smaller milestones and celebrate progress. Adjust as life changes. Your goals can evolve. Check in at least once a year to stay on track. Clear goals keep you motivated and focused. They turn dreams into plans and plans into reality. Set your goals, track your progress, and keep moving forward. Your future is built one goal at a time. There you have it. 7 powerful steps to build real wealth. Start today. Automate your savings, track your spending, build your emergency fund, and invest consistently. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency beats perfection. Every small action is a vote for your future. Financial freedom is within reach if you take these steps. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know which tip you'll start with. Your journey to wealth starts now.